What is the table service? The Azure Table Storage Service stores large amounts of structured data. The service is a NoSQL data store, which accepts authenticated calls from inside and outside the Azure cloud. The Windows Azure Table Service provides structured storage in the cloud. Tables store data as a collection of entities. Windows Azure tables are not relational database tables, as seen in traditional databases. The table service is designed for massive scalability and availability, supporting billions of entities and terabytes of data. Common uses of the table service include storing terabyte of structured data capable of serving web-scale applications, storing data sets that don't require complex joins, foreign keys, or stored procedures and can be denormalized for fast access, quickly querying data using a clustered index, accessing data using the OData protocol and LINQ queries with WCF Data Service. Net libraries. Table service architecture. The table service architecture consists of a four-level hierarchical structure: account, table, entity and properties. You can see below image. Azure storage options. There are many types of storage options for the Windows Cloud. We will focus on Azure Tables. When to use Azure Tables: heavy write workloads, storing large collections of objects, indexing a large number of documents, serving pages on high-traffic websites. Azure Table when appropriate. When SQL database can't scale effectively. Not supporting complex relationships. Requiring flexible data schema to store non-uniform object. Your required disaster recovery capabilities across geographical locations. Collection of entities. A table is a collection of entities. An entity is like an object. It has name-value pairs. An entity is kind of like a row in a relational database table, with the caveat that entities don't need to have the exact same attributes. Accessing Azure Table Storage from Azure. A user can go directly to Azure Storage. Any application that is capable of HTTP is capable of communicating with Azure Tables. That is because Azure Tables are REST-based. This means a Java or PHP application can directly perform CRUD create, read, update, delete operations on an Azure table. A user can go through a web service to get data. Azure Cloud applications can be hosted in the same data center as the Azure Table Storage. The compelling point here is that the latency from the cloud application is very low and can read and update the data at very high speeds. Query design and performance. Single entity lookups are fastest, great for latency-sensitive scenarios. Small range queries, look out for continuation tokens. In paging over data scenarios, continuation tokens are the way you can up a query where it left off. Larger range queries, good for latency and sensitive background workers, look out for continuation tokens.
For training, support and consulting inquiries, mail us training@bispsolutions.com. Our website is www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.